10 science-backed health benefits of clove water before bed. Introduction. Could a simple bedtime drink support your health while you sleep? Clove water, a traditional remedy made from steeping whole cloves in hot water, has gained attention for its potential health benefits. Rich in bioactive compounds like eugenol, antioxidants, and essential minerals, this aromatic beverage may offer multiple wellness advantages when consumed before bed. Today, we'll explore 10 evidence-based benefits of drinking clove water at night, plus provide a simple preparation method you can try at home. 1. Supports digestive health. Clove water may enhance digestion through several mechanisms. Eugenol, the primary active compound in cloves, stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. This can reduce common issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Additionally, the soluble fiber in clove water helps regulate bowel movements and promotes digestive regularity, particularly beneficial for those experiencing occasional constipation. The antimicrobial properties of cloves also support a healthy gut microbiome by reducing harmful bacterial growth in the gastrointestinal tract. 2. Provides antimicrobial protection. Cloves possess powerful antimicrobial properties, primarily due to eugenol. This compound effectively combats various bacteria, fungi, and viruses by disrupting microbial cell membranes. In the digestive system, clove water may help prevent infections from pathogens like E. coli and Salmonella. For oral health, cloves have been traditionally used to combat bacteria responsible for plaque formation, tooth decay, and gum disease. Using clove water as a mouth rinse may help maintain healthier teeth and gums. 3. Promotes liver function. Consuming clove water may support liver health in several ways. Eugenol acts as a potent antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress that can lead to liver inflammation and disease. The hepatoprotective compounds in cloves help shield liver tissue from toxins that may cause scarring or cirrhosis. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory essential oils that may reduce chronic liver inflammation, a contributor to conditions like fatty liver disease and fibrosis. Animal studies suggest that clove extract may help improve liver function and protect against toxic damage. 4. Helps regulate blood sugar. Clove water may assist in blood sugar management through compounds like nigericin, which increases glucose uptake by cells and helps stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. This is particularly valuable for individuals with insulin resistance or diabetes. The antioxidants in cloves protect insulin-producing pancreatic beta cells from oxidative damage, potentially improving insulin sensitivity. Research indicates that daily clove extract supplementation may significantly reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes in both pre-diabetic and non-diabetic individuals. 5. Enhances sleep quality. Several properties of clove water may contribute to better sleep. Eugenol has mild sedative effects on the central nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, both essential for falling asleep easily. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves may alleviate physical discomfort from muscle or joint pain that could otherwise disrupt sleep. Furthermore, by supporting smooth digestion, clove water helps prevent nighttime discomfort from indigestion or bloating, allowing for deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. 6. Strengthens immune function. The high antioxidant content in clove water protects immune cells from oxidative damage, ensuring they function effectively. Cloves also provide important micronutrients like vitamin C and zinc, both crucial for robust immune defense. Vitamin C supports various immune cell functions, while zinc is essential for the development of neutrophils and natural killer cells. The antimicrobial properties of cloves further support immunity by reducing pathogen load, particularly in the gut where a significant portion of immune activity occurs. 7. Reduces inflammation. Clove water contains natural anti-inflammatory agents, including eugenol and flavonoids. These compounds inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals like prostaglandins and cytokines, helping to reduce systemic inflammation. This anti-inflammatory action may benefit various conditions, including arthritis, where it can help relieve joint pain and stiffness. Reducing chronic inflammation may also lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative conditions. 8. Supports oral health. Beyond its antimicrobial effects, clove water offers comprehensive oral health benefits. Eugenol's antiseptic and anesthetic properties combat oral pathogens that cause cavities, gingivitis, and periodontal disease. The anti-inflammatory effects help soothe inflamed gum tissue, providing relief from discomfort associated with gum disease. Antioxidants in cloves protect oral tissues from oxidative damage and premature aging. A 2016 study found that clove oil was among the most effective natural substances for reducing cavity-causing bacteria. 9. Maintains bone health. Cloves are an excellent source of manganese, a mineral essential for bone formation and maintenance. Manganese supports the production of enzymes necessary for bone cartilage and collagen formation, as well as bone matrix mineralization. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves may also protect against bone resorption, a process where bone breaks down faster than it forms, potentially leading to osteoporosis. Antioxidants in cloves, including flavonoids, combat oxidative stress that accelerates bone aging. Animal research suggests that clove extract may help restore bone density and strength. 10. Improves skin health. Clove water's antimicrobial properties help combat skin bacteria and fungi that cause infections and acne, promoting clearer skin. The anti-inflammatory compounds reduce redness, swelling, and irritation, contributing to a more even skin tone and texture. Antioxidants in clove water protect skin from environmental damage and premature aging caused by UV radiation and pollutants. These protective compounds help preserve skin firmness and vibrancy while supporting natural repair and regeneration. Studies indicate that clove oil may effectively reduce skin itching and irritation. How to prepare clove water. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 teaspoons whole cloves. Optional: lemon slice or honey for taste. Instructions: bring 1 cup of water to a boil in a small pot or saucepan. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of whole cloves to the boiling water. Reduce heat and allow the mixture to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove from heat and let cool to a comfortable drinking temperature. Strain to remove the cloves. Optional: add a slice of lemon or teaspoon of honey for enhanced flavor. Drink 30 minutes to 1 hour before bedtime. Important considerations. While clove water offers numerous potential benefits, moderation is essential. Excessive consumption may cause adverse effects. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding clove water to your routine, especially if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Take medications, particularly blood thinners or diabetes medications. Have existing health conditions. Are scheduled for surgery. Clove water should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Conclusion: clove water represents a simple, natural addition to your evening routine that may offer multiple health benefits. From supporting digestion and immune function to promoting better sleep and bone health, this traditional remedy deserves consideration as part of a holistic approach to wellness. Remember, consistency is key, and individual results may vary. Start with small amounts and observe how your body responds. Have you tried clove water before bed? Share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health information.